Guys, tonight I'm at another night market, which is the famous one in Bangkok. This is called Ratchada Night Market. And as you can see, this is so similar to my other videos, indie markets. And there are lots of shops here for the foods, for the clothes, lots of bars here. And I will mention the location in the comments below. So stay with me. Don't forget to wear your mask, stay safe, and peace. You can find lots of things in this market. As you can see, before they also have a few rows of the shops in this line and that line also. But because of the less customer and the very bad business, they close all of them and just put some chair and sit here so people can sit and enjoy the food. Also, they have a nice place. Lots of bars here to having a drink and enjoying your night. And also they have a really good promotion. You buy one bottle, get one free. Sometimes buy two, get one free. So I recommend you to sometime come to this area and have some beers. It's not bad. And also you can help the people, businesses. Always remember, help the people and share everything you have with them. Thanks, guys. Tons of foods in this market you can try, from the Thai food to seafood, pork, beef, and seafood dishes like this. Foods.
I think we need to do this next time.
Yeah.
Make our own meal.
And insects. Don't be scared because they're full of protein.
Grasshopper, crickets, more crickets. Have you ever eaten them?
Yeah. There's a small shop in this market which has all the beers. You can find it here. However, two things. Don't forget to check my other videos about the indie market. I will leave the links. And also don't forget to check the Brian channel. Today I'm with my friends. Brian, yeah. Don't forget to check his links. As you can see, this shop also is the same as the shop in my indie market videos. I know, I want to show you this shop actually that you can eat with the bare hands. Have some buffet, 199, 299. Also, this market is all about the food and eating, so you can enjoy lots of delicious foods here. As you can see, there are lots of empty places, empty shops, and also not so busy, so quiet, lots of shops closed. It's so sad to see this, and mostly the problem is pandemic. So I hope everything back to normal, because normally this market is very crowded every night, very crowded because of the tourist attraction and because of lots of people. But unfortunately in this time you can see nobody, and it's almost 9:30, and you can see lots of empty spaces here. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please stay safe, don't forget to wear your mask. See you on the next one. Peace.